The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 125. Salaries, etc., of judges. 1. There shall be paid to the judges of the Supreme Court such salaries as may be determined by Parliament, by law, and, until provision in that behalf is so made, such salaries as are specified in the second schedule. 2. Every judge shall be entitled to such privileges, and allowances, and to such rights, in respect of leave of absence, and pension, as may from time to time be determined, by or under law made by Parliament, and, until so determined, to such privileges, allowances and rights, as are specified in the second schedule. Provided that, neither the privileges, nor the allowances of a judge, nor his rights, in respect of leave of absence, or pension, shall be varied to his disadvantage, after his appointment.